So recently, I rewatched Dead Poet Society, and it's the kind of movie that just gets sadder every time we rewatch it. It is one of the movies where the ending never really settles with you, at least not with me. And obviously, after this rewatch as well, I got extremely sad, and I wrote a poem about Neil Perry, the one of the most beloved characters of that movie. The name of the poem is Puck, after the character he played. So here's how it goes. Hey Pug, I think a lot about you these days. How does it feel to be the only one who got away? The one who stood up with that twig knitted crown, once looked up at the sky and then never looked down. I think a lot about you these days. I feel sorry when I remember how you were forced to be rational when all you wanted was to be cathartic and passionate. There comes only one, so like you, a five-leafed clover, but your ambitions were burned down in the fire of the hearth they were forced to cook over. Now they're up in flames, combusting in those cinders. How do we ever forgive and forget what was caused by those sinners? I talk to your grave, I change flowers every single week. Tell me, my pug, when do we ever stop playing hide and seek? I think a lot about you these days. It went numb when you left. Everyone was scarfed, the flowers didn't bloom, and the sun looked starved. In my heart is a memorial that I carefully carved, surrounded by guards standing by the wires all barbed. Because we couldn't keep you safe, we couldn't protect you. Your sweet memory is all we have. We love singing in your blues. I pass by your school, holding a bittersweet dismay. I hate that place, yet I go there just to hear the rest of them say, "Oh, Captain, my Captain," against all the grey. For no one expected to encounter such foray. Hey, Puck, I think a lot about you these days, and I hope you're doing okay. After writing this poem, I really persuaded my dad to watch the movie. He hadn't watched it, and he's one of the people who really loves watching such movies. Although he'll sometimes avoid them just because they make them sad. And of course, this one did make him sad. And this was one of those poems that I was not going to put out because it is very intimate to me. This character, Neil Perry, is one of the best characters that I know, that I love. But when I made my dad read this poem, he was really shook by it. Even before watching the movie, he really loved it. So that's when I decided to put this out and see what response it gets. So I hope you loved it. And if you did, please put it in the comment section below. And I write similar poems like this. I also have an anthology that I published. It's called Kick Off Me. You can get your own copies on Amazon, Flipkart, and Pothi.com. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye.